Well, good morning and welcome back to Nacho Stuff. We've been out and about this bit this morning. We decided, since everybody's, look at the size of this TV. Since everybody was off today, that we would try to get out, but it was super dark, super foggy. So we just ran and then dumped it at the yard. So put your guess in for what we found this morning. We were out for about, I don't know, about an hour before we said, hey, it's light enough now. Let's get her empty and go back out and film all the stuffs. So we have a microwave from earlier and a mower that we have kept because we weren't able to break those down. We just threw out the heavy steel. But short week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday this week. No Thursday or Friday because the yard is closed and I don't know that there's going to be a whole lot out there. So we're going to get after today and hopefully stuff her more than once. Let's go. Ooh, there's some nacho nature over there for you guys. We saw the deer this morning. We didn't have our cameras on. Camera, I should say. Hopefully this camera's working. I did drop it last week and the front lens popped off and I thought it was broken. So thanks to that mistake. See the birds over there hollering and hooting? Yeah. I caved and I got myself an updated camera. So that way we wouldn't miss days, but it hadn't arrived yet. And but we have a new and improved camera coming. Hopefully. Let's go. Probably just boxes, but I don't know, they intrigued me. They were a little glossier than your average box. They are from faucets and such, but there's no extra bits left behind. Dang it. I was thinking I might take this home, but I think this is an exercise thing instead of just an inversion thing. I could really use a real inversion, but I think this is for like doing Spy Sports Authority Body Fit. You guys tell me. Is this an inversion table or is this for exercise table? I don't know. I could use an inversion table. My back is tired this week. I'm gonna appreciate those extra couple days off, except for the non-monies. Come on, bro. I know, we're gonna try to be a little bit neater of a packer today. Not. Come on, you know better than that. All right, guys, a couple quick things. Last week I stopped out of the P.O. box and I did get a postcard, but for some reason the camera, of course, acted up and it had no sound. So I just chopped it out and said, I'll do it the next day. And you know how that goes. The next day turns into the next day, and then we didn't have a day where we filmed. So I'm going to do it now. I got this card from James from Iowa, and he said, I'm a big fan. Keep up the good work here and get... Oh, and hopefully you feel better. So I'm guessing he sent this to me when I was sick a couple weeks ago. He sent it from Iowa. It has got a Eastern gold finch on it, which I'm guessing is the Iowa bird. Leave me a comment if you know if that's right or not, but I'm guessing that's right. The other thing too is happy belated birthday, Suzanne. She said, hey, can you give me a birthday shout out on Friday? I'm like, I can do that for you, no problem. We didn't film on Friday though, so I was gonna try to do something over the weekend, and Mama's plans takes priority over my plans. So she said, we are doing Christmas, we're setting up Christmas and we're doing this. I'm like, there's a couple of things that I want to do, and she's like, okay. And of course those got set to the back burner because Mama always gets what Mama wants, doesn't she? I swear to you. But we are gonna swing by here and grab this fan. Why, you ask? Because we're fans of fans here at Nacho Stuff. So please take a moment and smash that like button, because that's what we do when we find our fans. Hashtag fan of a fan. Thank you again, James, and happy birthday, Suzanne. It's the big 5-0 for her, guys. Make sure to wish her a happy 50th. Onward. I think this TV's haunted. Woo! We'll have to do something fun with this for Joe. Yeah, he looks fun anyways. Oh, he's just a head. He's not even a body. Let's put him up front. You can hang out here for the day, bro. Right there. What is this in here? You got any electronic? This is like a Wii adapter, right? Where are we at? Come on, Wii, are you in here? That's kind of weird, right? This is all Wii stuff. This is a power supply and the motion detector thing. Where are we at? I don't know, you could be in here, right? It feels like plush though, guys. Oh, please don't be plush. Oh my gosh, they tied it 16 times. It's probably garbage. We're taking our time opening up garbage. It is, it's garbage. Oh good, it's not plush. It felt fluffy, like something like baby plush, but whew. You get behind that so you don't fall over. We'll take another fat TV. Look at these old guys, man. You know it's that time of the year when everybody's gonna start upgrading their TVs. Look at those two big honkers. This is like picking up our fridge almost. Onward. Oh, in case you guys didn't know, we're fans of fans here at Nacho Stuff, and we've got some more ceiling fans. You guys, if you haven't seen the breakdown video that I did, go right here to the breakdown video, and you'll see that these are worth like $3–4 a piece, depending on what you do to them. Actually, they're worth $1 to $4 if you want to be super lazy and do nothing with them. But if you take this, get the motor out of it, you're almost $3 already. $3.50, I think it was, right? How sweet is that? What do you think? Yeah, I agree. Let's go. I think we've got a picker, guys. I'm gonna come back here and double check and make sure there's not a mower in this box. And worst case scenario is I want to take the bag from my mower guy. But maybe we'll get lucky and there'll be a mower in this here box. And there's not. But we'll get him an extra bag. So that way if he needs a bag for his dust blocker, easy empty bag, he'll have one. Because a lot of times people don't throw the bags with the mowers. Or we don't take them, one of the two. What we got going on over here? Ooh, we're looking actually kind of garbagey. That's kind of nice though. Daddy garbage. This was from a cooker. We got a stereo system, guys. This is just a stainless steel bottle. Some foam. Some more garbage. Are you in here? Nope. Nope. Uh-oh. We're running out of stuff in our quote-unquote picker. You, get back in the pile. Come on, you go down. No, why don't you stay down? No! Maybe that's why it's out here, because it won't stay down. Anything in the box? Glass. Ooh! Is that a copper? That is. That is a copper pot. Sweet. I love me a copper pot. Oh gosh, that's more connected. That's pretty cool, huh? Copper exterior, stainless steel interior. So what's he going to pay on that? Who knows? I'll get stainless steel on that, I bet. It looks pretty darn cool though, if you ask me. Alright, that's going to be it, kids. Whoops. Come to wire. Pew, pew. Everybody in the box. Everybody in the bus. Alright. Let's go. We're gonna grab ourselves a fun chair. A cracked fun chair. I don't know if this car's... it's just gonna be a bouncer car. Whoosh. We'll take Mr. Table though. Nope. And then we're gonna slide over here because I kind of slow rolled. I'm like, oh, I have to go back. So let's come over here. Look at this cool thing. Might have to keep this for Jacob. This is right up his alley, I think. I think it's got a motor in it. It might be electric though. It's electric. Boogie, woogie, woogie. Let's see what you are. It's looking more electric right now, isn't it? It's still pretty cool though. Oh, it's a Razor. It's gonna be electric for sure. A little go-kart. I wonder if it'll work, man. Metal and 2 batteries. What more could you ask for? That looks fun. I'll have to check out and see what they're throwing out over there. Those all look full. See, here's some more faux wood like the other one that I kept. I haven't done anything with it yet. I'm gonna though. Whoosh. So my lights got snagged on something in the yard the other day. I ripped out one of my lights. See, I got lights in a channel down here now. Those side ones don't work anymore, obviously. Nope, this is all steel, boys. This is going to be steel too, right? Turn you this way. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We might not have wheels. We don't have wheels. We don't have no wheels. The dragon variety. Whoosh. Come on. Stay. Stay. Whoosh. Oh, good boy. Alright, why aren't you going? Oh, the car. You have to tilt it like such. Make room for everybody. Come on, car. There we go. Come on. There we go. Now I'm stuck in here. Oh, okay. Onward. Got ourselves a little shop vac. Let's see if we can disconnect you. Oh, we can. Sweet. You can stay here, brother. You can come. Got a trampoline in that car. I don't know. It might have a battery. We'll have to take a closer look. You're in rough shape. Alright, let's check out our vehicle here. It's got a little twisty on it. That's good. Open sesame. Hi. Look at my Nacho Stuff. I'm Nacho Tough. Nacho Tough. What is that? Oh, this should work. Alright, come on, open sesame. Come on, come on, what is going on here? Is this thing stripped out or what? Come on, bro. Yes, the world's smallest battery. Of course we need a Phillips, right? Story of my life. Story of my life. Got a flat, need a Phillips. Got a Phillips, need a flat. But we gotta take this battery for Jeffy. Look at this thing. Good thing we're not paid by the pound. I think we still gotta have some in here from last week too. $1 a quarter. Man, I'm surprised to be finding this many grills out here. This is a Weber. Packer loves these ones. There's some aluminum pot in there too. We better take you out if we get you. We'll forget you if we don't take you out now. The day of the grills. I hope it's not drying up out here because it's been kind of slow for a couple of streets. Oosh, this one's rusty dusty. Come on, brother. There you go. Not sure what we got here, but I saw something peeking out of this box. We do. Got ourselves an air fryer. It doesn't want to come. You guys are all coming. Everybody's coming. Onward. Sweet. Get some heavies. Oh, you got some copper on you too. Whoosh. You gotta come too, brother. No. You guys. I'll slide up into that nook. Right here in the back corner, what do you think? It's the spot, I think. What do you guys think? I think I'm gonna open the gate actually, versus trying to squeeze this in and seeing it back up. Probably the smartest thing to do, right? What? Max is mathematically the smart thing? I am. Believe it or not. Whoa. Stay. That copper right there's wicked sharp. It's just trying to cut me up. Shunk. Come on, baby. Onward. All right, take ourselves a Jeep stroller. It's got an air pump in it. What? Hands-free fold up. Ooh, yes. It does fold up. Sweet. I don't know about hands-free. You gotta use one hand to grab to squeeze the handle. Lies. I hope this is what I think it is. Be a pool heater. Oh, you're just a pool pump. What does this guy do? This is a filter of some sort. Some wire. This is probably stainless steel though, right? Maybe. Yeah. Stainless. That's the handle Grandma wants to have in our pool. She keeps saying, I need a pole. Remember how we were talking about fan motors? So it's stuck on my belt. What's going on here, dude? Get off of there. But the copper inside of there is a 50-cent bump. The copper inside of here is worth like $14. I don't know if this is going to be a filter. I don't think it's a heater. I think it's a filter. Come on, water out of here. But that whole body is going to be stainless steel. So let's get you part of the yard. Not a heater. It's still a nice find. Let's go. I think trees are going to be a dime a dozen over the next couple of weeks. Now that we're almost at Thanksgiving, everybody's going to be checking their trees, testing them out. We actually checked our tree. All the lights were out on it again. See, this one's had all the lights come out on it, and then they added lights for last year. Now they're like, we're not using that this year. So they're probably going to go out for Black Friday, get themselves a new one. Onward. Yep, gotta be buying the mowers. Always buying the mowers. Sure. Welcome to Water World. Man, this yard has like one dry spot and I found it. It is so wet out here right now. Look at this. Like backed in here. I can't even go on that side, it's so wet. And then, I don't know, a couple of more days, this will be bone dry and I'll be covering my car in dust. It's one or the other, man. There's no happy medium here. I did go home at lunch and I got rid of the stuff off of that guy. I took some screws off of this, but it didn't come all the way apart. Not quite sure what's going on here. We did get the outside thing off, so we can see if there's anything inside, but I think it's going to be a filter. That's my guess. Yeah. This is stainless though, right? Yeah. Gotta figure out how to get this off of there. I took these screws out and they zipped a little bit and they stopped. Have to take a pipe wrench to it. Look at the new one that I got. The new one came in. Ba-boom. Back to a real mall. Look at this guy. Right there. Look at that. That's the real deal right there, folks. I don't know if that goes all the way through or not. Some nice stuff right there. We're keeping the pump. And we're gonna break that down later. This TV, it's a metal back, but it's kind of in date. I don't want to keep it. See if we get these bonus lights off here. That one don't want to come off. That's all we're getting. Oosh. I know the bottom of those are aluminum. We might get that before we go. I just splashed myself. Yes. What's going on here? Hey, look at there's Christmas in that cube. This might have been a light. You guys are all gummed up in here. What kind of metal's being dropped in here? What did they have? One of the balers over there. Whoa! Get over this. making noise over there. Oosh. On here. There we go. Oh, there's that bag I was looking for. Another fan. Stainless. Steel, right? Brought that for Jeffy. We gotta check those. It's coming to the house. Dropped this guy right in the middle of the lake. Check this too. Oh yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna break down these fans, get that back up in the trailer. We'll catch you over at Jeffrey's. Alrighty, let's do some NFJ. See, the bins have spread out. They'll say they're in the same spot, I'll guarantee it. Oosh. Yep. That's what I said to Mikey and Kevin too. Oh yeah? You know, I said, none of these I was in this morning. Very. I was here this morning. That doesn't even count as a load. What are you talking about? It's probably more than what I had this afternoon. But you had $21, I think. No. On Thursday. I paid you. On Thursday, yeah. Thursday. I'm talking about this morning. This morning? Yeah. It was horrible last week. I didn't even go on Friday.
You're at $122.
Yeah? Yeah, I saw that. Did you find out what was wrong with it? You didn't go to Harbor Freight then?
You did, but they're only 30 days and 90 days. So it's well past.
Really?
Yeah. And they won't exchange it.
Wow.
$900.
That's crazy.
Yeah. It was working great. And then Facebook, you can see it starts to flutter.
Yeah.
And then it's not. It says F06. The electrode and the tip are mashed together. I changed it out, so the same thing.
Really? That's crazy. Let's go buy another one and take the original one back.
What's that?
Let's go buy another one.
That's bad karma. That's bad karma. That would come back to bite you.
Yeah, probably.
I don't know. Weird. It's super weird.
That's pretty sweet, right?
Yeah. I wonder what's wrong with it.
I don't know. Probably the batteries. I would think the batteries just went bad.
You're gonna clean that door, right? No, you're not gonna.
What door? This door? Yeah, I'm gonna clean that. Yeah. It's just a couple of screws.
What about the gasket and the glass inside?
What?
The other glass?
It'll come out real easy. Yeah. No problem, man. Is that stainless steel right now? Yeah. Ooh. Oh.
That's pretty cool.
Look, he's got a gold tooth. I brought these for Phil. I brought these in case that Phil wants them for his kids to play on the street.
Who are you trying to call?
Ghostbusters! Yeah. What will you pay on that?
I bring that next door.
Why?
Because I would have to clean that.
I know, but look at it.
I know. Awesome. What the hell? Oh, it's stainless steel?
Stainless steel with copper. It's like...
It's a copper coat.
Yeah.
Stainless.
Stainless in the middle. Aluminum.
What do we got? 3 of them? 3 whole.
3 whole giant batteries.
Look at the wire you're leaving on there.
I know. I actually got a cover, so I'll make sure to. Oh, I don't. It's my phone. Ugh. Get on there. Heavy? Yeah, ready?
It's on 38.
Come on. Did you know Bruce Lee had a vegetarian brother?
Oh God, this is so bad.
His name was Brocco Lee. Why did the vampire need mouthwash?
Because he had a bad taste.
He had bat breath.
Bat breath. What do you call a pencil that is broken?
A broken pencil.
Pointless.
Pointless. Ah, I've told you that one before.
What do you call a dollar bill frozen in a block of ice? Just so easy.
Cold hard money.
Cold hard cash.
Cold hard cash. What do you call a small pepper in late autumn?
Small pepper in late autumn.
A little chilly.
A little chilly. You use it between your head and your toes. The more it works, the smaller it grows. What am I?
No idea. Those long ones kill me, dude. So.
That.
Why did the kid eat his homework?
Oh God, I know this. Why?
Because his teacher said it was a piece of cake.
Oh. See what they brought me back from Maine? Ketchup potato chips.
Ketchup potato chips.
Humpty Dumpty, they're good. So
Are they?
So people in the north, leave comments what your favorite one is. Because this is up north.
Yeah, no, they have there's certain flavors that are some places and not other places.
Oh, that brand.
Someone was telling me that they put chilies in their mashed potatoes.
Applesauce on pork chops?
Oh, definitely.
That's really good.
That's Brady Bunch.
Hey,
Pork chops and
what do you
applesauce.
call lights on Noah's Ark?
Lights on Noah's Ark. I don't know.
Floodlights.
Floodlights. Alrighty guys, we're waiting paid. Not a bad day. I wish it was a little better than we had, but for seeing that we did run out twice, but hey, the street giveth what the street giveth. So anywho, let's jump into our receipt here. 10, this is the first run. This is the run where we ran out this morning for about an hour and I told you guys to guess. We had 960 pounds. That was a front loader wash machine and some other bits and pieces. I'm actually surprised it's as close as it was to the second load, but that was 6 cents a pound for $57.60. Our second run included more tin, 1,080, so just over the 1,000 pound mark, 6 cents a pound, still at $64.80. Electric motors came off of the ceiling fans, and I had one in the car plus the microwave. 40 pounds, 22 cents a pound for $8.80. Irony light was anything dirty, which was that one chair, the teapot that I gave him because it was stainless steel. He's just counting that actually is dirty because it's mixed metal and it had some steel on the handle. So 20 pounds, 28 cents a pound for $5.60. Stainless steel clean with all that stuff from that, what I was hoping was going to be a pool heater, ended up being a pool filter of some sort. 38 pounds, 40 cents a pound for $15.20. We had a quarter battery and a half battery, which was a 3/4 batteries returned in for $1.25 and $2.75. And then Irony Heavy was the with the one weed whacker. 8 pounds, 18 cents a pound for $1.44 for a grand total of $157.44. So, like I said, a pretty decent day. Wish it could have been a little bit better. We've done that on just a single run, I think. But hey, what you gonna do? So we're gonna go home and hopefully try to get some more stuff situated at the house. We might make it back again today. I don't know if we will or not. We'll just have to see how the afternoon runs. I think Mama's got some chores for me to do anyways. She's out shopping for the holiday. So we'll see if we can get things done or whether we've got to wait till tomorrow. But push comes to shove, we'll do what we do. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's run. No pickers again. I'm not surprised. This week's going to kind of be weird because I think a lot of people, or a number of people are going to be out of town, but people are kind of off schedule. But maybe we'll find that one amazing pile. Who knows? You just never know who's doing what, because I know a lot of people are going to start setting up for Christmas. And when that happens, you find your trees that don't work and your lights that don't work and stuff like that. So hopefully we can score some of that as well. But if you enjoyed today's run, make sure to smash that thumbs up. That way YouTube can know you guys appreciate us a little bit. So it's Nacho Stuff, but that doesn't mean you can't take someone else's trash and turn it into cash. So until tomorrow, be safe, be happy, and we'll see you guys then.